I always thought my grandmother's old sewing machine was just a relic, until one night it began operating by itself. Living alone in her inherited house, I was used to strange creaks and groans, but the rhythmic clacking of the needle was unnervingly precise. Curiosity overcame fear, and I approached it, only to find a piece of cloth under the presser foot slowly embroidering a message: "Help me, they are still here." I tried to pull the plug, but it continued sewing. Each night, it revealed more of the story: names, dates, sinister events from the past that no one ever spoke of. My sleep became plagued with nightmares of shadowy figures, whispering those names. As I researched, the truth became evident. My grandmother wasn't just a seamstress, she was a medium, stitching messages from the other side, messages that were now intended for me. The machine's final message before it stopped forever chilled me to the bone: "They're watching you now."